everyone, Father's Day is coming up, so I thought of a DIY. Here I have a photo frame, it's an old one, and I have taken out a printout of my husband and my daughter's photo. I don't have the hard copy of it. So I'm going to place this into this photo frame. I'm going to see the size exact measurement for it, and then on top I'm going to write something. So let me remove this photo frame first. First with pencil I'm going to use the word daddy in it, or maybe dad or father, so that will be the bold word in it. Let me zoom it up and show. Yes, I'm going to write a small quote. You can write anything you wish to, and I'm doing it with pencil first. Later I'm going to use a sketch pen on top of it. Do comment and let us know how you all celebrated Father's Day. What are the gifts that you all gave to your father? Or was there anything special that you all did for him? Don't miss this opportunity. Be there and show it to him how much you love and appreciate him. Getting back to our project, I'll show it to you once it's completed. This is the last line that I'm writing. It's done now. I've used the sketch pens, black, blue, and the red heart. Now I'm going to place it onto the photo frame. Be careful with the glass. I've used blue color sketch pen to write daddy to match with his denim pants. And now I just need to put it into the frame and then fasten the clips at the back. And as I do this project, I want to thank my father for listening and caring, for giving, for sharing, especially for just being the person he truly is. Thank you, Baba. I'm sure my daughter is going to love it. You can make some changes into it. You can use any other pictures also, or your own handmade pictures, your own drawings, or even your fingerprints can be added into the frame. These are the small suggestions. Now along with this, I've added a cookie box as well with assorted cookies. This is the Father's Day special gift. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world.